Welcome back, guys, for the new video, and thank you for watching my videos on my channel. I hope you guys are learning something new. It's going to be a small and quick video that I wanted to share. I purchased this phone, OnePlus N30 from MetroPCS by T-Mobile or something. Yeah, this phone was pretty cheap. I think I paid like $20, which is honestly hard to believe. I know this phone is like almost $300 as a retail price on Amazon, or $250 I have seen sometime, or maybe $200. But yeah, $200-300 is the average price for this phone. I purchased this phone brand new. It was in box, you know, perfectly working from MetroPCS by T-Mobile. It's just hard to, you know, pronounce their name. It's just the MetroPCS, whatever the company is. Yeah, they make you pay like $60. I'm gonna post something on my screen so you guys can see exactly how much I paid for this phone. So yeah, I paid $20 for the phone, and they make you pay like $40 a month plan. So total was like $60 plus tax, free shipping. They shipped this phone to my home. Now you can have this phone fully unlocked after 6 months. Now the best part is you don't have to have this phone working the whole time. So simply, if you're looking for a GSM unlocked phone, you know, you can simply buy these type of locked phone from MetroPCS. Again, I'm just sharing their policy. There's nothing illegal about this. It's simply, this is how the policy work. You know, there's no catch I'm saying, or there is really not a hacking way. It's a simple, the policy is you have to, okay, the tricky part is they say you have to use your phone for 6 months, but in reality you don't have to use the phone for 6 months, as long as the phone was active once within 6 months and it does not have any pending, you know, balance, or, you know, no theft or nothing like was registered. You can get this phone simply unlocked. You don't even have to call them. Simply wait for like 6 months and this phone will be automatically unlocked. I'm shooting this video as of, you know, July 26th. And I have like 4 or 5 more days. So I'm going to show you, basically my plan is to show you what you are expecting to see now when it does not meet, you know, the full requirement. And I'm going to, you know, complete this video when this phone will be fully unlocked, and I'm going to do it with you guys so you can see exactly how it works. But yeah, here you can see the box is brand new. Again, this was a brand new phone, you know, all these papers and everything was in here. OnePlus N30. Now, let me just show you here. So yeah, basically, again, I don't even use this phone just because, you know, I got it so I can just get it, you know, pretty cheap, this phone unlocked, and I want to keep it just in case if I need it. But I'll show you how it looks like. So if you go all the way in the settings down here in about device, now all the way down here you can see it says network unlock. It says locked because this phone is not unlocked yet, again because I did not meet the 6 months required. So I'm going to show you how you unlock. Of course, it's not going to work right now, but I'll show you, you know, in 4 or 5 days again. I'm going to complete this video. But yeah, if you click here, see it's loading. It's basically checking if this phone is eligible, and there you go. This is what you're supposed to see. Device unlock. It says basically locked. It clearly says device must be used on this number for 180 days. Again, that's a kind of tricky condition, I mean, or maybe I should say confusing statement, because they're not saying it has to be used. They're saying the line has to be on the network, or, you know, be inactive once and they'll be unlocked. So again, I'm gonna come back after, again, 4 or 5 more days. So again, you can see the date today is July 26th. So I would come back, I think in 31st or 1st of the August or so. I think that's when this phone should be unlocked. So again, I'll test it again and we'll be right back, guys. So see you in next 4 or 5 days. All right, guys, we are back after 4 or 5 days. So today is July 31st, 2024. So I looked up my notes, and per my notes it said I activated my phone on January 31st. Which means today is exactly 6 months. Now what I don't know, or I'm not sure I should say, if my phone will be unlocked as of right now or will it be tomorrow. So anyway, let's find out. I did not even do anything with my phone yet. That's why I wanted to do it with you guys. So yeah, let me remove everything and let's turn on this puppy. Here you can see I just keep in the box. But yeah, let's turn on this puppy. Here you can see MetroPCS. Yep, you can clearly see it's July 31st. I just have to make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. It should connect itself. Yep, it's connected. So yeah, I'm gonna go to setting. So okay, to unlock it, again, I have not contacted the company at all. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is simply check if your phone is eligible now. So I'm gonna show you if it's locked or unlocked. Look at that, it's clearly showing network lock is locked. So all you have to do is click here. Look at that. It means it is eligible, because if you remember, I will maybe put a screenshot or something. Before it was saying you have not met the 180 days requirement, and right now it's clearly showing, see that thing is gone. There was a warning here, you have not met the requirement or whatever. Now it's saying try permanent unlock, and if I do this, look at that, activating your permanent unlock. There you go, your device is now fully unlocked. Restart is required to apply this setting, so restart now. Alright, phone is back on. Let's check if it shows me locked or unlocked. I mean, it should be unlocked, but let's see. Alright guys, look at that. Clearly it's unlocked now officially. I know I can put the SIM card in there, it'll just work, because this is my second phone this way, and I know it just fully unlocked right now. So when I click now, you see how it says device is permanently unlocked. I mean, this is how, guys, you can get phone for pretty cheap. All you have to do is wait for 6 months. I mean, that's the only condition, but this phone is fully unlocked at this point. I mean, it is just, yeah, it's fully unlocked. Yeah, fully unlocked. Look at that. The device is network unlocked. Yep, that's it. That was the only day I was waiting for, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm glad I made the video so I can document this with you guys. Again, there's no editing at all, other than some fast forwarding to skip some of the time. But here you can clearly see the device is fully unlocked now. I can use internationally, within the US, like anywhere. I have to put a SIM card, local SIM card. It'll just work right on. I mean, here you go, guys. Hope you guys learned something new. If you did, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel and like, share to support my channel. And I also hope you guys are learning something new from my channel. But yeah, keep watching. We'll come back with the new videos to show you something new. But peace out. Thank you so much, and have a great day.